Hello everyone, this is Paradox. Welcome back to another video. This will be example solves, but they get more advanced as they go on. So first off we have easy, so let's start off. And yeah, the scrambles will just be here instead of edited. So first thing, I'm just looking for pairs. I'm going to try to go for a DL plus 2 pairs approach. So here's one already solved, DL. And I'm going to look for the 2 pairs. So I see these 2 pieces. I can insert them by doing this, an R, U2. And then I can set them up like this. And so to insert them, I could do an R wide and then F prime. And then I see these 2. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to break them up. So first I'll bring them to the front so I don't disturb this. M, and then U prime to split them up like this. And then I can connect them since I see they're opposite colors. And then all I have to do now is bring it here and then insert with the B prime in the back. And then now I'm looking for a DR. It's here. So I can just do a simple insert, R wide, U, R2, and I'm not going to do any fancy like block building here, but one pair at a time. So this case, you can break them up by doing M prime, U2, then M2 to put them here, insert in the front, and then for this case, U2. And then what I'd do is I'd put this at the bottom by doing R wide prime, U, R wide, U2. And then that sets them right here. So now all I have to do is join them with an M, and then I see it has to go here, but since I don't want to disturb this, 3 move insert like that. So this CMLL, what I see is that these 2 are the same. This is opposite this color, and this is just whatever, so I know it's this 8 move CMLL. And now just gonna focus on EO, so I can get arrow by doing M, U, M, that gets arrow, and then I can just do M and then any U move and then any M move, so I can just do M, U, M prime. And now to solve LR, what I can do here is put this at the bottom, like that. Now they're both at the bottom. So M2, and then I solve these 2. And then I have this cycle case, which I can see is just this. Alright, so now this is medium difficulty, so I'll go a little faster here. So I'm looking for DLs, but also looking for other sort of pairs which I don't see. So I only see this DL and this DL. So I'm just gonna see which looks better. This one looks okay. I'm going to go with blue. So I would put it on the left, and then I see this right here. I can solve these 2 in the back by just doing this. A B, then U, and I can do an R wide prime, insert in the back, and then here, set these 2 up like this, and just like that. So now for DR, I see these 2 pieces can join in one move, so I'm just gonna note that, so when I bring that, I can just do a sledge insert like that. And then I have these 2, so bring it up and then that. Make sure to orient the center, and then I have this CMLL. Here just gonna do EOLR, M prime, and I just do U prime M, and that sets up this side back. And I know I'm gonna have a cancellation, just like that, and in this case. Okay, so we're getting more advanced here, so now I'm looking for basically anything that's connected. So the first thing I see here is this, and that actually, which looks fine, but I also see this pair. This block looks fine. I'm probably gonna do that because both DLs for this pair are just not good. So what I do is for this, I could bring this up, and I'll do an R wide to move this up, and then I can do an F so that this goes here, and then I can insert like that, and I see that this piece, these two will be in good spots, so they're only one move away. Insert. But before I put this in the front, I'm looking at DR. I see it's here, so I know after I do this I'll have to do an M, so go right into an M. And then I know once I insert this DR, but at the bottom there will be a 3 mover here, so I can go straight into that. But actually I just saw something else. These two can pair, so I'm gonna pair that, and I'll just save it for now. I'll insert this in the back, then I can go straight into these two. This CMLL, and then here I have this EOLR. So what you do is M and then UM to get good arrow side bottom. And then here I know my case is going to be the thing where I have a dot, and then a line here. I don't know the name, but there. Alright, so now onto the most advanced difficulty. The setup looks kind of creepy. I also forgot to scramble, but oh well. Hope you can read that. Okay, so I am looking at this. I see these two would connect, but then this pair is bad. I'm looking at this now. I see I can do an M2 to put this here and then insert it there. And then I see that these two would end up here, so I could just insert them in the front easily. Then I also see actually these two would pair up with the first M2, and then it would end up here at the end of first square. So I can preserve that while doing last pair. And then if I track DR, it should just go here. So M2, put this here. So yeah, this pair is here, and then I would move it in front to preserve. Insert this like this, and then I also see this pair. So 2 pairs, and I'm gonna insert DR and preserve them so I can try and do a hedge here. But I know that this will break, so I can put this at the back, hedge, and then these two are here, so 1, 2. This CML, I know that I'll have none on top flipped because I know which edges this flips, and then I'll have 2 misoriented here, so I know I'm gonna have a 0-2 case, and yeah, so LR here, so I can do this EOLR, side back, and then I can just see from these stickers it'll be this case. Alright, thanks for watching.